I'm gonna love you.
It's the dream.
Três horas depois.
This is not a cry for help. Really, I'm fine as well. This is me trying to find myself. Even if I got a mind of selves in my mind to remind myself all the times I felt much worse than this. When folks acted so merciless, but looked like friends on the surfaces, disguising with their purposes. This perp I sip, this smoke I blow, these brews I drink, these shrooms I eat, these pills I pop. When I find what I'm searching for, I truly wonder if I
I'm gonna love you.
I might, probably not. Smile bright as my body rocks.